Moving is not just about packing up boxes, it is one of the biggest transitions in your life. In a city like Chicago, every move is different, from quiet residential streets to high-rise apartments in the heart of downtown. And while it is exciting, it also comes with real challenges: heavy furniture, difficult loading situations, and the pressure of getting everything done on time. Add in traffic, parking restrictions, and limited space, and moving day can quickly become overwhelming. That is where Midwest Moving and Storage makes the difference. We handle everything from careful packing to heavy lifting and secure loading, making sure your belongings are moved safely and efficiently every step of the way. Our team understands Chicago and knows how to plan around traffic, parking limitations, and city logistics so your move stays organized and on schedule. Because at the end of the day, this is more than just a move, it is a new beginning, a new space, and a new chapter in your life. Let us take care of the hard work so you can focus on settling in and enjoying what comes next. Contact Midwest Moving and Storage today for your free quote and move forward with confidence.